How to log out of expert option application on your Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily log out of expert option application. First of all, open the expert option app on your device and make sure you are in the home page. Now, logging out of expert option is pretty easy. All you need to do is to find the little arrow button at the bottom left right underneath the gear button, tap on it, and in the pop-up, click on Yes Exit. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged out of your expert option application. After logging out, your account data remains safe on expert option servers. You'll need your email and password to log back in again. So that's how you successfully log out of expert option, and now your account is secure and no one else has access to it on your device without signing in. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.